Hi, boys and girls. Miss Lehmann here to go over today's math. Please open your math book to page 681, chapter 9, lesson 8. Today we are doing equal parts. If we were at school, we would be using pattern blocks, but we are not, but we can still see equal parts. So, normally we would use the square, triangle, and trapezoid pattern blocks. Cover each shape with the block shown. Trace the lines to show your work. Tell the number of equal parts in each shape. Trace how many equal parts. So we can see that this trapezoid right here would fit right here. And if we turned it upside down, it would fit here too. So how many equal parts are there? And remember, equal means the same. So this part is equal to this part. Therefore, there are two equal parts. Here, if we were to use the triangle, we would have to do it just like we have talked about, where you will be turning things upside down. So we would do one triangle here, one here, one here, one here. Now, since they're all triangles, that would then be equal parts. Whoa, sorry. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Here we're going to use the square to fill in the square. So you would see we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. All right, please turn the page. All right, so a whole can be separated into equal parts, or we can call them equal shares. Equal parts of the whole are the same size. For example, if I have this rectangle, I can divide it into 4 equal parts. Notice how nothing is bigger than the other. And if I have this square, I can divide it into 2 equal parts. Notice how they are the same. So here we're going to write how many equal parts. In order to be equal, they have to be the same. 1, 2. 2 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they all the same? Yes, 4 equal parts. So this says draw lines to show equal parts, 2 equal parts. Could I cut it here? Would that be considered equal? No, because one section is bigger than the other. What would be a way that I could fix that? Correct. I could draw it the best I could down the center. How could I do this into 4 equal parts? I could divide it in half, then in half again, or I could draw 4 parts, but they must be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you know when parts are equal? We know because they're exactly the same. All right, moving on to on your own. Again, we're going to start out with write how many equal parts. So you'll see 1, 2, 2 equal parts. Then you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they all the same size? Yes, 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 2 equal parts. Now we're back to draw lines to show equal parts. So we have to do 4 equal parts. I think the easiest way to do that is to cut it in half. That'll give us 2 equal parts. And then carefully, ever so carefully, cut it in half again. Now, do I realize that this is not perfect? I do, but we're doing the best we can. So here, equal parts. If I draw it in half here, would that be equal to that? No. No, it wouldn't. So we're going to split it the best we can in half. Okay. Now, at the bottom, we have to circle the shape that shows equal parts. This is one part, this is another part. Are those the same? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do those all look the same? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. So we should circle the one that has equal parts, which are the same. Turn the page. What I think of when I think of equal parts is when we divide things like candy bars and food, pizzas, we want to make sure they're equal. This says Jasmine cuts her sandwich into 2 equal parts. Circle Jasmine sandwich. This is 2 parts, but the Question is, are they equal? Would that be fair? No. These might be equal, but there's too many. This is 2 equal parts. The next one says, Damon is sharing a pie equally with 3 friends. How many equal parts does he need? So there's Damon and there's 3 friends. How many people? He needs 4 equal parts. All right, yes, 4. Isabel and Katie cut this pizza to share with their 2 friends. Tell what they did wrong, make it right. So there's Isabel, Katie, and 2 friends. How many parts should there have been? There should have been 4 parts. You need to divide it into 4 parts. Boys and girls, I hope you understand this beginning lesson on equal parts. Always, if you have questions, please reach out to me. Have a great day.